In today's video, we're going to be cleaning around the house, so it's going to be another clean with me. We're going to be doing some Christmas decorations, and I'm going to be showing you guys my Christmas cleaning basket. So join me today, and I look forward to seeing you all. Hey everyone, welcome to the Christmas cleaning edition. Grab yourself a drink. Mine is hot water with lemon and ginger. Get yourself ready for the task you're about to tackle. The countdown for Christmas has already begun, so I hope this video gives you all the motivation you've been looking for to do the tasks you've been avoiding. So grab your cleaning products and join me today. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and thank you so much for clicking this video. On this channel, you will find great tips to clean and improve your home in a fast and efficient way. So turn on your favorite music, grab your cleaning products, and let's get on. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. So today I'm going to officially put up my Christmas tree. I have been wanting to do it for some time, but first of all I need to do a deep clean in the area that I'm going to be putting it. So I'm going to be moving my sofa and sweeping behind my sofa because I'm putting it behind it. I've got a toddler, so right now he's very interested in climbing, pulling and eating everything. So this is my Christmas cleaning basket. It's got all my favorite cleaning products that I'm going to be using throughout this month and throughout the winter period. They smell so nice. I love this new flash, especially tells you how to recycle. So if you're big on recycling, this is telling you how you can recycle their bottles. And yeah, it smells so lovely. I really loved it. Anything to do with berries and cranberries at this time of the year is really nice. So I'm just going to quickly give this counter a spray and wipe the surfaces. Like I said, it smells really good. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend that you do. So behind the sofa, I just need to clean the windowsill. It's got a long window and it just needs like a little clean. So I'm going to be using the Sif. Oh, this smells so lovely. I love the spring one that they had. The winter one smells even better. Like, it's just beautiful. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried the Sif winter. What is your favorite product? Like, what is in your Christmas cleaning basket? What products are you currently using that I should try out? Let me know in the comment section below. Now that I'm done and I've wiped off the excess product using my microfiber cloth, I'm going to start with the Christmas tree. So I'm going to put the Christmas tree up now. I'm quite a minimalistic person. I don't like too many things, and I find that because my apartment is quite small, so I don't want to put too many things. I don't like clutter, but my approach is always very minimalistic. And yeah, I'm just going to put up the Christmas tree and see how well it's gonna look. At the moment it's quite bright, so I'm not sure if you're gonna see all the nice colors. I'm actually sticking to one color because I don't like too many bright flashing colors. So, and I'm also not trying to attract my toddler to the Christmas tree, so but at the moment I don't think you can see all the lights. But yeah, that's me done. Now I'm going to do the corridor. I'm going to be using the Sif Ultra Fast Winter Sparkle. It's a multi-purpose and it kills the bacteria and viruses, which is really good because this area of the house we do touch quite a lot, you know. So this is where I'm also going to put my little Christmas tree. It's in my hallway, and I'm just going to clean this little jar thing. I don't know what it's called at the moment, but that's where I tend to keep my keys. So I think it's a good idea for me to just give it a little spray. To get rid of any bacteria, any germs that will be lingering there. And also cleaning the picture frames. I mean, I'm still going to keep them in the same place, but I'm just going to replace the flowers with a Christmas tree. So here's my Christmas tree now. Like I said, I'm a very minimalistic person. I don't like too many things, so the smaller the better, and still keeping it festive. You know, I just don't want to be drowned by baubles and Christmas tinsel. I just don't like that, but still festive. So I'm now going to get my Sif cream cleaner and I'm going to clean the windowsills. And like I said, this smells really beautiful, gorgeous. I don't know, it smells really nice, really warm, really inviting. It's going to do the windowsills, and yeah, I'm just going to put some bubbles in there, replace the candle that was there. So now I'm going to go back into the kitchen. I'm just going to wash up with my fairy. Oh, I love the fairy one, pomegranate one. It's beautiful, like smells really Christmassy. I don't know. I love anything berry any time of this year. So I'm going to wash up my dishes with that. Give this video a thumbs up if you're like me and you enjoy watching people washing up. Like, I love watching people wash up their plates and their cups and stuff. It just feels quite therapeutic. It's a bit weird, I know, but I really enjoy watching people wash it up. So now that I've done, I'm going to go back with the sieve ultra fast. I love this at the moment because it says that it's great on surfaces and especially where you prepare food. So I'm going to spray it on my countertops. Also got my apple and cinnamon burning in the background. That candle smells really lovely. Do you guys have a current favorite candle that you are using? Let me know in the comment section below. So I've been spraying this on my kitchen countertops, and honestly it's not as overbearing and as powerful compared in terms of smell. It's still got that citrusy freshness to it. Give this video a thumbs up if you've made it to 7 minutes and 23 seconds. Just give the video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content and you're finding motivation to clean your house and tackle all the tasks that you've been avoiding. I know we all need a little bit of motivation, so give this video a thumbs up if you've got the motivation from this video. So that's it for me today, guys. I was just decorating the living room and the entryway. I'm quite a minimalistic person, so I don't like a lot of things, but yeah, I hope you found this video to be interesting and giving you the motivation and seeing what's inside my Christmas cleaning caddy. I hope you have found some inspiration and enjoyed trying out these products with me. So I will see you guys on the next video, and you have yourself a lovely day, and I will see you soon. Bye.